So we're here to do a video on division with the base 10 blocks. And for parents who may be viewing this, when we're in a brick and mortar classroom, we have a set of base 10 blocks that consist of, in the thousands, a big cube. Then for hundreds, we have flats, they're little flat squares. And then rods for tens and little teeny cubes for ones. It takes 10 teenies to make one rod, 10 rods to make one flat, and 10 flats to make 1,000. So that's the basis behind this. So the last video was in the tens. Now we're going to go into the hundreds, and we'll end up in another video shortly in the thousands. So I'm going to make my place value chart to the thousands now, even though we won't be using them. So here's my place value chart. And we have ones, and then tens, and hundreds, and then of course thousands. Okay, so we have to create a problem, and I'm going to make it into the hundreds. So I'm going to try 679 divided by 4. And there's a strong possibility on the test, which I'm going to move till Tuesday because this video is a day late. I'm pushing the test back at least one day to Wednesday. We've got, you will probably have at least one problem that has you write the sentences that we used to write before. So in the next video, I will include sentences. It might be an extra credit problem, we'll see. So we have 679 divided by 4. I posted steps for the base 10 blocks in Google Classroom. You should download one of them or both of them. You can use them on the test as well. Good thing to have with you during this instruction too. So if you don't have them, I suggest you pause and then you go download them and have them with you. I'll wait. Okay, you should be back now. I'm going to have pause points in this where you can pause and do it well, you can pause at any time, but I'll have specific pause points where I would like you to pause, do, and then, press play. So the first step that you have to do when you're looking at this is decompose. Well, we call transferring from standard notation 679 into digit notation 6 hundreds, 7 tens, 9 ones, decomposing. So go ahead and decompose our transfer from standard notation into digit notation. We'll wait. Good. You should be back now. So you should have done 600s, drawn the flats, okay, 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As I said in the last video, do not use tally marks here. You can if you want to, I don't care. I wouldn't, because when you partition, it's going to make it difficult to have a diagonal there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with my space, and then 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, our divisor is 4, so we're going to partition sets of 4. That's going to be your sentence up here, right? So 4 divisor squares down below. Here's our first, second, third, and fourth. We have set up and we've decomposed. The next step is to partition, right? Partition sets of 4. So we've got 600s. We can indeed partition a set of 4 out of 6. So here is my one set of 4. We cannot partition a set of 4 out of 200s. We don't have enough hundreds. So now that we have one set of 4, you count the sets, however many sets you have. This is one set, not 4 sets, it's one set. Since we have one set, each divisor card gets 100. There, 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 and this is gone. And your sentence would be 4 times 4 equals 400s, because we have shared 400s. They're gone, they're subtracted. Now, we're done with the hundreds. All done with the hundreds, right? So now we got to move on to the tens. but we still have these guys. They must be shared. So we have to transpose them or decompose them into tens, right? Here's our first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Groups of 5. It's easy to partition, to subtract or add out of groups of 5. And the second one is gone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So this one would be 7 plus 20 equals 27, right? We have 27 tens to share. That would be the sentence. So now you need to partition sets of 4. We'll wait. Good, you're back now. Okay, so what you should have done was we need to partition sets of 4. So I know there are 5 here. So I'm going to go, there is a set of 4. Here is otra vez y uno más. 2, 3, 4. And we can do that again right here and again right here. And I see another one. There's another set of 4. Then we have the 3 left over. Okay, now you need to count your number of sets and then share that number between the divisor cards. We'll wait. Good, you're back. Good job. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of 4. So each divisor square gets 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Use tally marks here because then you can look at that and know it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to check to make sure we have shared the proper amount. There are 4 groups. Each group has 6 tens. 6 times 5, I think, is 30. Yeah, 30. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 4, 5, 6, 7, 30. We have 30. We have 30, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 4 is 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of 4. Everybody got 4. Oh, I did times 5. 4 times 4 is... So it's 4 times 6, right? 4 groups, 6 in each group. 6 times 4 is 24. We have 24. We did indeed share correctly. They are gone. We have the 3 left. We're done with the tens. Tens is done. Now we need to share the ones, but we can't forget these 3. They need to be decomposed into ones so they get shared as well. So we've shared. The next step on your paper is decompose, if necessary, because we might have shared them all, right? So we have 1, 2, 3. You should know there's 3 groups of 10. 3 times 10 means 30, right? So we're going to put 30 over here. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 30. We already had 9. We just added 30. So we should have 39 here. 10, 20, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. May not be able to multiply, but I can count still. All right, we have 39. You need to now partition sets of 4, right? So go partition sets of 4. I'll wait. Good, you did it. So we're back here. We have to partition sets of 4. Since they're in groups or sets of 5. Just take one out here. There goes 1. And we want 4. Oh, there goes another. That's nice. Don't make that mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't it? Ooh. See, that would be bad, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 4 here. And here is 4, another 4, and another 4, and another 4. Oh, and here is another 4, right? With 3 left over. So you need to now count your sets, however many sets there are. That's how many teenies each group gets. Go. You're back. Good. I'm sure you did it right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sets. Each square gets 9 teenies. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's check the teenies. This is going to be your sentence. 4 groups, 9 teenies in each group. 4 times 9, let's see, 9, 9 is 18. 18, 18, 36. So there should be 36 teenies shared. We have 4 times 9, 36. We're good to go. This is the same. Well, not the same. They're equivalent. They're not equal. So those are gone. These are gone. And we have 3 teenies left over. I'm going to blow them up so they're bigger. Here's one of the teenies, 2 of them, and the 3rd one, right? The beauty part about decomposing when you make them smaller than 1, these are 1s, right? We're now going to cut them up to be smaller than a 1. We no longer have to cut in sets of 10 like we do here. 1,000 gets 10 hundreds, 100 gets 10 tens, 110 gets 10 ones. Here we can say, well, how many pieces do we need? We only need 4. We're going to cut each one of these into 4, right? There's 4, there's 4, there's 4. Each one of these is 1 out of 4 pieces, so it's 1/4. This is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, for a total of 4 fourths, or the whole teeny. Same thing here, and same thing here. And if we add them, we have 4, 8, 12 fourths. That is my wife talking to my son. Somebody should talk to him. Okay, so we have 12 fourths to share, right? Here's what's also nice about this. We've done the partitioning. Once you cut it up, you have sets of 4. Here's a set of 4, a set of 4, a set of 4. Count your sets. 1, 2, 3. That's how many pieces of 1 each group gets. Each piece is 1/4. They get 3 of them. So this group gets 3 fourths. This group gets 3 fourths. This group gets 3 fourths. And this group gets 3 fourths. If we add them up, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is 12 fourths, just like that. Right? We're done. There's no more left to share. Everything has been shared. So the answer, how many thousands are in one group? None. How many hundreds in one group? There's 100. How many tens are in one group? There are 6 tens. And how many ones are there in one group? There are 9 ones. And how many pieces? There are 3 pieces. 3 out of 4 pieces. So it's 3/4. And the answer is 169. And here's where you get to say the and. 169 and 3/4. That is the answer. Put your and right there. Nowhere else. All right. Have a joyous time studying this. There has got to be a more efficient way of dividing than this. And there is. I'm just not going to tell you what it is. Maybe you can figure it out on your own. I ain't going to tell you. Enjoy your vacation, your one day, Martin Luther King Day. We will watch his speech on Tuesday. Everybody, have a great time and study, study,